How to edit your reel on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your reel on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile, click on the reel icon and click on your reel. Now click on those 3 points and click on edit. You can now edit your caption and tag people. Click on edit, and now you can select cover image. Choose a frame from your video or an image from your gallery. So for example, choose an image from your gallery. Click on done, and just like this, write a caption, tag people, click on the check icon, wait a second, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.